we the students of Government Degree College Mantari. We done a project on Asara Pension Scheme in Telangana. Our participants are myself T. Aruteja, my friend Rajkumar, my friend Vidya, my friend Malavika and Akshay. My friend is going to explain the continuation of the project. Social Security Pension Schemes in Telangana. A study of Malapalli village of Peddapalli district. Introduction. Social Security is comprehensive term. Its resume and scope differs from country to country according to the prevailing social conditions, traditions and ideas. The concept of social security it's based on ideas of human dignity and social justice. According to Sir William Beveridge, social security is an attack on five ends, namely one disease, ignorance, squalor and idleness, security against what means that everyone has to get reasonable remuneration in return for his service to maintain a minimum standard of living and to look after his dependents, securing against ignorance means providing greater educational facilities to all the persons of the community, security against squalor means the planned and against growth of cities, industries and other means to provide employment to every ideal man. Dr. Mukherjee suggested conclusion of sixth get under the social security measures and that is dismissal or victimization for trade union activity. Objectives of the study. To study the social security measures in India, to know the past performance of social security pension schemes, to understand the implementation of social security schemes in Telangana, to know the socio-economic conditions of the pensioner people in the study area, to suggest measures for the better implementation of social security schemes in Telangana. Next project in my friend Arun Tej. Continue. Good morning, madam. Myself, T. Arun Tej. I am going to explain the review of the literature. Ravindra Prasad discussed the various issues related to social security in the second part of the book. He emphasized on social work, social justice, and provision for the social welfare. With reference to social security, he states that social security primarily refers to a social insurance program providing social protection or protection against socially recognized conditions, including providing old age, disability, unemployment, and others. Hridaya Rajan projected information on the problems of aging, pensions, and social security provided to the old age people in South Asian countries. The various countries issued delayed are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. The author of the paper has attempted to identify the modalities of comprehensive pension and social security scheme, assess the for the aged people in respective countries. The following issues have been discussed. Assess the aging scenario in these countries, past, present, and future. Report the finding of sample survey in each of these countries conducted for this study in order to assess the nature, magnitude, and adequacy of various forms of social assistance now available to elderly. Review existing policies and program for the elderly and advance suggestions for broad-based comprehensive pension, social security, and assistance scheme for the elderly. The continuation of the project is going to explain to my friend.
Institutional expression results will earn. The validity of the results depends on the systematic method of collecting the data and analyzing the same in a sequential order. In the present study, both primary and secondary data will be used expensively. The study is based on empirical data which will collected by administering a schedule to the response for the purpose of the primary data collection. The Peddapalli district of Malapalli village is selected for the study. My friend is Malika.
Category wise pension, Malapalli village, next up, old age pension 27, disabled 9, widow 17, teddy topper 2, HIV nil, filaria nil, BD worker nil, single woman 1, total 56. Myself, Malavika, conclusion and suggestion. Lack of official guidance to people is one of the main problems on non-coverage of target group. Necessary steps have to be taken for effective publicity through Rama Sabha, radio, TV, etc. In India, in addition, it might be thought of giving handouts and pamphlets to school children explaining all the social security schemes and criteria so as to reach every house. Second one, children can read out, explain the scheme to their parents, elderly members of the family. In doing so, children are also citizens, automatically educating people and empowering them to claim the benefits would help the need by people. Third one is organized mass publicity campaigning in villages to inform people and citizens, sensitize them to refrain from paying money to reclaiming or officials. Fourth one is identify and sanction of pension on the spot in Gram Sabha. Fifth one is written application or productions of documents by application should be dispensed within the delivery system through appropriate method and technology application. Thank you.